Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5070311, because of these error codes. So if you are receiving one of these error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one. The commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan. In my case, it's already done. Once the first scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, go to Windows Update and then click on pause over here. You will see pause option, hit pause, and once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, then type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now select background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on start or restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on start or restart. Now you can go back and then update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. And over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5070311, and then click on search. Let me change the language over here. Now over here, you have to first of all check the version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and check the version. In my case, it's version 25H2. So check the version and then go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option over here, and then find the system type. For me, it's x64. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5070311 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option over here. Scroll down, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once done, restart your computer and then you can try to update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, open this link in a browser, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on download now and then run this exe file. When you run the exe file, you have to click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. So once done, click on finish. Now let this close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to Windows, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.